Hey guys, today we are doing a good old-fashioned unboxing. I've been doing some shopping over the last few weeks and I've been collecting all of my items. The star of the show is what's in this box. This is a new handbag and this is totally out of left field. I don't think anyone's going to guess what's inside this box. It's from a brand that I never talk about. It's from a brand I usually don't follow, so this is really exciting, but I have a few other things to show you first. I have another handbag. I have some new products from the Gals Guide, and I wanted to quickly show you what I got at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. In case you missed it, I did a whole shopping vlog at the sale, so I will have that video linked above in case you missed it. I talk a lot more in that video about products I do and don't recommend from the sale. Let me show you really quickly what I picked up for myself. If you watched that vlog already, you won't be surprised by the first item. I did pick up a sweater. This is from the brand CC and it's just a knit short sleeve sweater. I liked this because it has a little scallop detail around the neckline as well as the sleeves. So I picked this up. This is a size medium, and I would say that it runs slightly large. So if you are in between sizes or you're unsure of what size to buy, I would size down in this. It was on sale for $45.99. And again, I'll have all of these linked in case you're interested in anything, just to make it easier for you to find everything. You won't have to hunt for it. So this was actually, not the only piece of clothing I got. The second thing I did get is also clothing. I got a set of Bombas socks just because I needed some more socks and these were on sale. So these were originally $42. They were marked down, I believe, to $27 for the sale. So we got some socks just because I needed more socks. And for beauty, I got a Lancome mascara duo. This is 2 full-size mascaras in here, plus a sample size of the mascara base or the mascara primer. I generally don't recommend the duo sets where you get 2 full sizes of the same product because usually it's just too much product to use up before it expires. But for mascara, I keep these in a few different places around my house. I have mascara in my upstairs and downstairs bathrooms, so I did get the duo set for this. Moving on to my first handbag reveal of the day. If you follow me, you know what's in here because I already showed it in a short, but I got a new Coach bag. And since we're doing an unboxing today, I just thought I would show it again. A lot of my shorts also don't get views, so even though I uploaded it, you still might have not seen it. This is the Coach Brooklyn 28, and it's in the beautiful color Bluebell with brass hardware. I've been wanting this bag for a while, and I didn't want it in a neutral color. I wanted it in a fun color, something bright, something cheerful. I saw it in Bluebell a few months ago. I didn't get it right away. But then I noticed it was marked down recently to $177. This is normally $295. So that's a great deal. It's over $100 off. So I snapped this one up. If there's any more available, I will link to them for you. So yes, I got the Brooklyn 28. I have used it since I've gotten it, and it's a wonderful bag. I really like it. Super easy just to grab and go. It's one big compartment inside with a small slip pocket in the back. So this is my number 1 of 2 handbag unboxings for this video. And we're going to leave it here for a minute because I'm going to use it to show you what's in this box as well. This was a gift very kindly sent to me from the Gals Guide. She is also on YouTube under the channel name The Gals Guide. She invented this product, I believe a year or two ago, called handbag heels. They are magnetic purse feet, so they just snap on the bottom of your bag. You put one magnet inside your bag and the heel, the foot, on the outside of your bag. She improved her product for this year and invented handbag heels 2.0. The front of the heel, or the outer part of the heel, looks the same as it did before, but what's different are the interior magnets. She added this coating onto the magnet to make it easier to handle, so it's more user-friendly, and the magnets are stronger. So let me grab my original handbag heels just to show you the difference really quickly. I keep mine in a Louis Vuitton dust bag. If you have any dust bags that the lock and key come in, it's the perfect size to store your handbag heels. Just a little tip. So this is a pair of the original handbag heels I have. I got the square heel, and these I purchased myself when the product was launched. And here's the interior heel. So if you compare the two, you can see how much nicer the new interior magnets are. And the great thing about this improvement is you can use the new interior magnets with all of your other handbag heels. If you bought any of the originals, you can use it with any pair. So now I have the gold square and the gold round handbag heels. So these are super easy to use. I'm just going to demonstrate one really quickly. I take the interior magnet, I put it inside my bag, and then I just snap the other one on the outside, and you can see I'm using my hand inside the bag just to move the magnet to the position I want. And there you go. So I would just add the other three on the outside, and now I can add feet to any handbag I own. I absolutely love these. I think they're phenomenal. So I'm really happy to see the improvement that she made to her handbag heels. And one thing I really love about her products is they're also super affordable. The handbag heels, I believe, are about $20, maybe $22. So they certainly won't break the bank. I think they're a really smart investment to protect the bottom of your bags if you have any that don't have feet. So these are handbag heels. And I also got a really, really cute charm from her. I just wanted to show quickly. I've been using this on my new Coach bag. She sells bag charms, and she sent me the cutest little crocheted sunflower, and the leaves are purple, which I absolutely love because I love purple, and crochet charms are really in right now. So I've been using my Coach bag, and I've hung this on the outside, and doesn't that just look so cute together? I love it. So my new Coach Brooklyn, as well as my handbag heels and my charm from the Gal's Guide. Thank you so much for sending me these products to try out. I really appreciated it, and I love the new and improved handbag heels. I think these are a really great investment, and they also make a great gift if you're looking for anything to give to a friend who also loves handbags. Handbag heels are great. So now we are moving on to the final unboxing of the day, and this is something I don't think anyone will ever guess, but I got this recently, and I bought this pre-loved from LUSSO and Luxe. I'm going to have her Instagram page as well as her website linked on screen, as well as in the video description box, so you can go and just click the link and you don't have to type it in yourself. LUSSO and Luxe, it's run by a fantastic woman. Her name's Francesca. She offers really phenomenal deals on pre-loved luxury. I've been following her for a while. I bought a few things from her, and she really does offer great deals. And I bought this from her. She included a few things in the top. We'll put this aside. That's just the packing slip. Just a really sweet thank you note from her. And again, here is her information. And she included this as well. This is not my first purchase, but it's really sweet to see that she includes a gift. It says, thank you for your first purchase. Welcome to the LUSSO and Lux family. And it's a really nice silk twilly. So that is so sweet. And the bag I bought, I'm going to hold it backwards because it didn't come with its own dust bag. It's just the bag. So she included this dust bag, and you can see what it is through the bag. But I got a wicker bag from, drumroll, as I take the dust bag off, Prada. I am not usually a Prada girl, but when I saw this, I fell in love with it. I have been itching for a wicker bag, and usually wicker bags are very expensive. One of the most popular wicker bags that I've been seeing a lot of this year and last year are the wicker capucines from Louis Vuitton. And while I think they're gorgeous, they're also priced north of $6,000. And while I think that's absolutely fine if you want to spend that on a bag, for me personally, I didn't want to spend that much money on a wicker bag just because I know it's going to have such limited usage for me. I'm only going to wear this in the summer months, and it's probably not going to be a daily bag for me. So I know I'm probably not going to use this much more than a few times a year. So when I saw that she had this bag in, it was under $1,000. Such a fabulous deal. I snapped it up right away. The other thing I love about this is that it's full wicker. It's in excellent condition. It has canvas on the top, so it's a little more casual. I could very easily dress this down and wear this with a casual summer outfit. And it does have this mirror tag. How cute is this? This was just so perfect for exactly what I was looking for, and it was in the price range on what I wanted to spend for this type of bag. I also love that it does have a zip closure, so you can zip it up if you need some extra security. If not, you can just tuck the tail of the zipper into the bag and just wear it open like this. I absolutely love it. And I love that it does have the D-ring on the outside for this. So if I wanted to, I could keep the mirror tag here, but let's grab my other charm. I could also switch it up and put on something super cute and fun and summery, like the little flower charm. How cute is that? So I love that. It does also have D-rings on each side for a crossbody strap. I think this bag originally came with a crossbody strap. I'm not 100% sure, but since it has the D-rings, I think it did. This bag from Francesca. Oh, we have the card and the booklet inside. This did not come with the original strap, which didn't bother me because number one, it was a great price. Number two, I don't see myself crossbodying this, at least not very often. I will probably just hand carry this whenever I use it, but Francesca did throw in a strap just from herself. This is not a Prada brand strap, but she did throw in a really cute black and white striped crossbody strap. So if I wanted to, I could attach this and wear it crossbody. And I love the black and white with this. It's really cute. It, again, makes it almost a little more casual with the white and black together. So if I do want to crossbody it, I'll probably just use this. So this is my new wicker bag for the summer from Prada, and it is my first Prada bag. I'm so happy with this. And once again, I bought this from LUSSO and Luxe. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, leave a little pineapple emoji in celebration of summer and my wicker basket. And I'll see you in the next one.